Hi everyone, my name is Alex. Today I'm going to be trying the Milk Balmade Hydrating Tinted Lip Balm. This product retails for $18. I feel like Milk had a lip mask a long time ago that I tried way before I was getting into skincare videos. This is the newest lip launch from Milk. Lip balms are such a saturated product on the skincare market. I feel like I see so many. $18 is kind of a midway price point. I feel like I've seen a lot of good lip balms for this price. I did accidentally order the tinted shade. They do have a clear shade of this. I don't know how it happened, but I ordered the red tint, but hey, we're gonna try it out. Why not? I'm excited to see how this lip balm separates itself from other lip balms because there are so many on the market. Electrolytes are not something I typically see in lip balms. I have been seeing a lot in skincare lately, so I feel like this could be a promising lip balm. This product is vegan, cruelty-free, alcohol-free, and comes in recyclable packaging. They do utilize fragrance in this. Just be mindful if you're sensitive. They utilize an electrolyte-rich complex, including zinc, copper, and magnesium, along with coconut and aloe with banana juice. Never heard of that in a skincare product. Very interesting. I'm excited to see what those ingredients bring. Check out the full ingredients. You can click the link in the description to go to their website. I've also left the full ingredients in the description as well. Big things we're going to be looking for include: how does this product perform? What finish does it leave? How does it separate itself from other lip balms? How long does it last? As for anything else, we'll be continuing to check-in, so I will see you all in the next check-in. I'm here to give you all a quick check-in on this lip balm. I've used it a couple of times. Seems to be a really lightweight yet nourishing lip balm, and it actually kind of worked out that I accidentally got the tinted shade because it is a very subtle tint, and the red is kind of just natural with my lips. It feels very essency and not sticky whatsoever. But typically when lip balms feel like this, it is more not long lasting. Like, it fades very fast. With this product, it has actually lasted a very long time. It has a nice light fragrance to it. And this is random, but the dispensing of it is very easy and nice. It has a subtle color to it, which, I mean, I did get the, I think I got, what shade is this? Workout. Love that. But yeah, it's a nice light, kind of neutral, but yet slightly glossy finish. Definitely more neutral compared to some of the ones I've tried, but it does dry down really nice. I can definitely tell the moisture is still in my lips after this product has dried down, which I think is something that makes it stand out. That's probably all the ingredients in it. I do also taste the banana. Them including banana in here is very interesting. I can definitely taste it. Like, it's kind of nice, kind of refreshing. I'm enjoying it so far. Still want to see how this product stands out from some of my favorite lip treatments. Kind of give you a comparison to some of the ones as well. I'm going to continue using it and now I'll check in again. I'm about to give you all my final thoughts on this lip treatment. This was definitely more of a lightweight lip essency like product that I felt like delivered a really nice light glossy finish to the lips. It also was one of the most long lasting lip treatments as well. I feel like this is a great alternative to one of my more favorite lip essence products, like the Outset lip treatment that was $28, the POV Beauty lip treatment, which was I think $22. $18 is a really good price point for this. I feel like the tints are very sheer though. If you are looking for a more bold tint, this is definitely not going to be what you're going to get with this product. It is very neutral, and I could actually testify for that with this product because I accidentally ordered the workout shade and it was very natural. So if you're wanting more of a tinted lip balm finish, I would definitely go for either the Naturium or the topicals. Those lip treatments have a little bit more potent tints, while this one is very sheer. However, with the lightweight feel of this product along with the nourishing ingredients in it, I can't think of an alternative that is more affordable that delivered the same nourishing benefits along with the skin supporting ingredients that I feel like were really helping my lip hydration more long term. A hydrating lip treatment is the perfect description of this. I feel like it embodies everything that it is because it does provide better results the longer that you use it, but even after it dries down, it still leaves a very nice lightweight finish that left some moisture to my lips and didn't just fade and feel like like it did nothing. So I feel like that is a big standout of this product. Like I said, I don't know of a lighter weight option that provided the same benefits as this, but the Topicals lip treatment is one of my favorites and still a little bit more affordable than this product. So if you're wanting something a little bit more affordable, that would be the way to go. It is a little bit thicker and has a more glossy finish. This is more of a subtle gloss finish is how I would describe it. Sort of natural, but also you can tell you're wearing just a little something. It's honestly something that I have been gravitating towards recently, and it's a finish to a lip treatment that I really enjoy. It's lightweight, has a long-lasting ability, and that's what I feel like makes it really stand out. There are obviously so many lip treatments on the market, but if you're wanting a really lightweight, semi-glossy finish with a sheer tint to it, I'm sure the clear shade is also amazing, and I would recommend this product. It is really lightweight yet long-lasting, and that is the biggest standout. I haven't seen a lip treatment this affordable with the lightweight ability yet semi-glossy finish that this has. It's truly one of a kind, and I've not seen the ingredients that they've used in here in any other lip treatment, and so I felt like that made it a really effective and hard-hitting lip product. But anyway, thank you all so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it and you want to see more like this, make sure you subscribe because I post new videos every week, and I will see you all in the next review.